Personal injuries happen when we least expect them to. You could be driving down the street and another car slams into you. You could be at a grocery store and slip on a wet floor. Whenever you have been injured as a result of someone else's negligence, you need to speak with an attorney to make certain your rights are protected. Anytime you've been injured as a result of the negligence of another, there are some things you need to know. Never leave the scene of an accident. There is information you must exchange with the other party. And if someone is injured or there is property damage, you may need to call the police. Most people are not familiar with car accidents, personal injuries, and insurance companies. After an accident, you have questions. Was I at fault? Were we both at fault? What if the other driver will not pay for my injuries? What if the other driver doesn't have insurance? What role does my insurance play? What is my claim worth? And what is a fair settlement? The attorneys at JLee PC can help you answer these questions. We will help you deal with the insurance companies and make sure you get a fair settlement that compensates you for your medical bills, lost time, and pain and suffering. Virginia is considered a contributory negligence state. That means if you have some fault in an accident, you may not be able to collect damages. If you're in an accident where one driver ran a red light and hit you, but at the same time you were making an illegal U-turn, he may not be liable for your injuries. Insurance plays an important role in most personal injury cases. All Virginia drivers are required to carry automobile insurance. If a driver does not carry the proper amount of auto insurance, they are subject to pay certain fees and fines. Typically, after an injury, your own health insurance will help you pay your medical bills while you are waiting on your claim to settle. In some cases, your medical provider may assert a lien against your personal injury award. If this happens, the medical provider will receive a portion of your settlement. In other cases, your medical providers may encourage you to sign to allow them to have a lien against your future personal injury award. This may seriously decrease the amount of the settlement award you are eligible to receive. If you create a lien against your future award, the attorney must pay that lien before any proceeds go to you. You should not sign any papers given to you by medical providers or insurance companies until after your attorneys have had a chance to review them. So what's your claim worth? What's a fair settlement? My goal in every case is to make my client whole again, recover their medical cost, and get them back on their feet. Of course, the insurance companies will encourage you to settle for a low amount. Even your own insurance company will encourage you to settle. Their goal is to keep their costs low. That's why you need someone on your side to accurately assess your claim. During the course of negotiating with insurance companies, I always hope to reach an agreed settlement. But many times we have to go to court. From your initial injury, through the medical treatment, and ultimately to the settlement award, you need an experienced attorney to help you through the process. If you've been injured in an automobile accident, please call the attorneys at JLee PC.